The supply chain that we're working with for this demonstration is based on an extremely simple military scenario. There are 6 different roles in this supply chain. The process starts with the issuing authority. The issuing authority is the person or organization that sets the rules for this supply chain. In the case of the Department of Defense, this might be a program manager. The issuing authority controls which physical assets are added to the supply chain by issuing digital tokens. We call the tokens for our blockchain SEC marks. Our simulation has 3 component manufacturers who need to get SEC marks from the issuing authority before they can sell their components. The component manufacturers are Shenzhen Corporation, Pintech Corporation, and QMD Technologies. The integrators are Hewlett-Packard Corporation, KTC Corp., and AFIT Technologies. Next, there's the Department of Defense, which purchases products from the integrators. There are 5 branches within the Department of Defense: Air Force, Army, Navy, Marines, and Coast Guard. The organizations within the Department of Defense can assign products to 3 different types of equipment: airplanes, tanks, or ships. At the end of its life, each piece of equipment will be decommissioned, and then the components will be disposed of. So there we have an end-to-end supply chain, starting with the component manufacturers and ending with decommissioning and disposition. And that whole supply chain is controlled by the issuing authority, who creates and distributes digital tokens to participants in the blockchain. Now let's jump into the demonstration and show how all of this really works.